It's the Apple Watch Series 4. It's thinner, has a larger display, increased heart monitoring capabilities, which gives it the ability to perform an EKG, and today, we're gonna tear it down. The process of opening the Series 4 hasn't changed. Heat the display to soften the adhesive and use a curved blade to pop the display up. Of course, you could use an iOpener to heat the display, but when you have a hot air station and a vise, you might as well use them. Using a pick, we cut through the rest of the adhesive holding the display in place, and once free, we see the 3 cables connecting the display to the watch. Even with our fancy equipment, we ended up splitting the Force Touch gasket during the opening process, effectively destroying it. Damaging the Force Touch gasket is a common occurrence during Apple Watch repairs, so if you're planning on doing a repair yourself, always have an extra one on hand. This 44mm Series 4 has a LTPO OLED Retina display with a resolution of 368 by 448. The battery comes out next, and while it's glued in place, the adhesive is easy to pry up. However, the connector is underneath a screwed-in bracket. This is a 1.113 watt-hour, 291.8 milliamp-hour battery that should last you up to 18 hours. The Taptic Engine comes out next, and it's noticeably thinner and longer than the one that we found in the Series 3. The speaker, which is allegedly 50% louder than the previous version, sports some hefty ingress protection in the form of a gasket. The brains of the watch come out in the form of the fully sealed S4 system in package. While we can't get a look at the chips inside of it now, our friends at Creative Electron gave us an X-ray of the watch, which gives us an idea of what it might look like inside. The heart sensor array pushes away from the case surprisingly easy, and a closer look reveals the headlining feature, the new heart sensors. The Series 4 measures voltage between your right and left arms with 2 electrodes. The first electrode is on the watch back, pressing against your wrist. The second is on the crown, held by your opposite hand's fingers. These electrodes detect tiny changes in electrical polarization across your skin as your heart beats. The S4 then interprets that data to compute and analyze your heart rhythm. We've come to the end of our teardown, which means it's time to talk repairability. The Apple Watch Series 4 scored a 6 out of 10. And here's why. On the upside, watch band replacements remain fast and simple and are even backwards compatible with previous models. Screen replacements are difficult but doable. It's the first thing to come off and detaches via simple ZIF connectors. Battery replacements are pretty straightforward once you're inside. While not proprietary, incredibly tiny tripoint screws are a repair hindrance and they're all over the place. But on the downside, several component flex cables are mounted directly to the S4 package, requiring skilled microsoldering to replace. And lastly, the resin-encased S4 system makes most board-level repairs impossible.